people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dream, same pain and same feeling.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I decided to get up and make breakfast for Bradley and I before we head over to the house to get some work done. So I'm making home-style hash browns, which I just cut up the potatoes and I'm waiting my water to start boiling, and then I'm also going to be making us some bacon, cheese, egg omelets. Very simple, and I am so excited because I'm using my new Our Place cookware. I want to thank Our Place for partnering with me on today's video. I am so excited. I seriously love this brand so much, so I'm just thrilled to be partnering with them today. With that being said, I am so excited to share Our Place's newest collection with the one and only Selena Gomez. This limited collection features the Always Pan and the Perfect Pot in two new exclusive colors. I have the color Rosa, and then there's another color in Azul, which is really pretty as well. It's like a bright royal blue color. And I love these bright colors for spring and summer. They are perfect. And like I've told you guys before, our house is very neutral, whites, wood tones, just super neutral. So having a pop of color in my kitchen will be perfect, and this shade is just gorgeous. So I'm so excited to have these just on display in my kitchen 24/7 when I'm not cooking. So yes. Now I have the Always Pan in the color Spice. I love it. It is amazing. Our Place's cookware system is seriously life-changing. It is so much easier. You don't need multiple pots and pans for when you are cooking. You literally can do everything, always, and it's perfect. As you guys probably know, I make tons of pasta, so this pot I know is gonna be just used probably every day. I seriously love Our Place's cookware, and I could not recommend the Always Pan and Perfect Pot enough. This is an 8-in-1 pan, multifunctional and super lightweight with a built-in spoon system for a mess-free kitchen, which, boy, has that helped me. It drives Bradley absolutely insane when I throw a spoon or utensil just right on the counter dirty when cooking. So the fact that there's a spot specifically for my utensil on both the pot and the pan is incredible. This one rests so easily right on the handle, which is super convenient and mess-free. Like I said earlier, I love the fact that I only need these 2 pans with cooking any meal. It replaces up to 16 pieces of cookware, which is insane and just really convenient. Sorry, one dog wanted to come in and the other wanted to go out. But like I was saying, it can replace up to 16 pieces of cookware, which is crazy. It's a full kitchen replacement, so time to say goodbye to all the old pans and kitchen clutter. Pan in the pot has a ceramic coating that is non-toxic, non-stick, which makes for stress-free cooking and easy cleanup. After you're done cooking, you can just grab a sponge, wipe everything off, and it slides right off, so it's really easy because nobody likes dishes, especially when food sticks. It's just so annoying. So these are perfect for that. And like I've already said, this cookware is extremely beautiful, and Selena Gomez's collection's new colors are just absolutely gorgeous. I seriously love this pop of color. I cannot wait to have it in my white kitchen. It's gonna look so good. I also quickly want to show you guys other items from Our Place that I am absolutely obsessed with and loving. So like you saw, I was using this knife to cut my potatoes, which match the cookware, and they're so pretty. I also have these two as little paring knives. I have a chef knife and a bread knife, so I love these. These drinking glasses are just so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put orange juice in them. And I love that Our Place's dinnerware stacks, so cup stack. I have the bowls, these are in the color Spice. These also stack. I have a set of 4, and then also the plates, also in Spice, also stack, which is really nice when organizing your cabinets and getting everything organized and not having to worry about anything sliding or breaking. My water is now coming to a boil, so I'm gonna get back to cooking, but definitely check out our place. The new collection with Selena Gomez. I'll have everything linked in my description box below that I showed you guys in today's video. Seriously could not recommend this enough. Shop down below in the description box. Everything will be linked for you. And thank you again to our place for partnering with me on today's video.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxious. Not once did speak to me when tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me. After a while they all found out. They tried to shout, but when in doubt, the facade of the sea staring back at me. Each led like sheep, stepped foot to sea, drowning oh so patiently. Sand people sit and wait anxiously.
Okay, so it has been a minute since I've updated you guys, so I thought I would start off in this video showing you guys what we've done and what we are planning on doing and just everything. It's coming together so nicely. I'm so excited just for everything. Everything that gets finished, I get so excited for the next thing just because I feel like every little step is showing so much progress on our house. So I'm just gonna walk around, show you everything we've painted, things just we've done. I don't even know what I last showed you guys, so I'm just gonna show you everything very quickly, and yeah. Okay, so I'm at the front door, and as you can see right off the bat, we don't have floors. And the walls are all painted white. The front doors are black, all painted white. I don't know if I've showed you guys this yet, but my dad framed this entryway with wood. It is so pretty. I'm gonna show you from the other side too because the lighting is not great, but so pretty. I seriously love this accent. We finished painting the entire sunroom. We bought tons and tons of floor. This is the brand and color. It's Select Surfaces in Heritage Oak. And this is it right here. It's so pretty. I'll show you guys obviously more once we start laying it. Yeah, so we painted all this. As far as for kitchen. So this weekend, my cousin David is coming this weekend to help us paint the exterior of our house, which I'm so excited for. It's gonna be such a big transformation on the outside. So he's painting that, and then once he's done with that, he will help us paint the kitchen cabinets white. So we're gonna prep and all of that for them, prep, prime, all the fun stuff with that, and then he will help us spray the doors with a paint sprayer, and then I bought new hardware, which Amazon just came, so I will get that package in a minute. But the gray cabinets are going by the end of this week, and they will be white. I'm so excited. It'll look so good with these countertops. So that's where we are on the kitchen. So it's still gray, which I don't love. I just don't think the gray pops these countertops very well. But it's gonna look so good white. And yes, we'll finish up some painting today around the windows. And then the closet I have to also paint. It's not painted yet, clearly. And then this room I have fully painted, besides a little bit around the windows I need to finish up on. But this room is so brightened up with these ceilings. I just think the white and the wood is so pretty together. So there's this room. And then obviously we are pulling up all these floors. I'll mention it again. No floors in the hallway. Bathroom, we haven't done anything to. We will paint at some point white, and I have a really fun whole project for this bathroom I cannot wait to do, so definitely subscribe for that one. And then here is all the floor in our master bedroom. And I began to paint the black wall white. I've been just kind of running my brush along these walls because I knew this one was gonna take a lot, so I've been cleaning my brush off on it, and it's been working really well. So yeah, little updates on the entire house. And now I'm gonna finish up with those painting around the windows in these 2 rooms. And then I'm gonna try to hopefully start finishing up on our room painting. And then it should be very close to being done soon. So that's where we're at, all updated. I just got an Amazon order, so I'm gonna go get those really quickly and do a little unboxing. Okay, grabbed 2 boxes off the front porch. I ordered these the other day. They're just like little home stuff. So let's see what we got here. Oh, so cute. That's what they will look like, obviously, with a light bulb in them. But 2 little lights by the front door. I'll link everything that I get for the house from Amazon on my Amazon storefront, which I'll link down below. Okay, this is a door handle I got for our garage door. I don't think the deadbolts come. I had to order it separately, but I just got a little handled doorknob for the garage door because I've heard on TikTok that that's really handy when you're bringing things through the garage and don't have an extra hand. You can just kind of push the handle to open it. Okay, I ran out of storage, but luckily I had another SD card with me. But I got 3 interior doorknobs. I will open them. I'm literally gonna use a screw that's right here to open them. Doorknobs, so I got these to kind of give that updated look, which, ooh, they look so good. Super nice. So they're literally just black, matte black. So my kitchen hallway. I'm so excited to see it. Hopefully it is cute. It's gold. I'm doing gold, and then also a black faucet for the kitchen sink. So yeah, oh wow, these look nice. I think they look nice. Let's open one up. Okay. They're a little more yellowy gold than I thought they would be, but I think they will look really nice up against white. I'm gonna go hold it up against the cameras really quick to see what it looks like. Okay, so I just looked at them and I think they'll look really good. It's hard to tell up against the gray, obviously, because that just doesn't go. But I think it'll look good. It'll be easier to tell once the cabinets are white. But I'm going to start painting today. I'm done with all the updates and my unboxing. And now we are going to finish painting.
Gathered by the sea, same people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams.